Alright guys, today I am going to attempt to change the oil of my 2018 Volkswagen Jetta. It's the SE TSI 1.8 liter little engine. So for this I will need a T45 Torx Bit to take out the drain plug on the bottom. This is the dipstick, this is the oil filler cap, and this is the oil filter. I don't have a socket this big, so I'm probably just going to use a pipe wrench, to be honest. And I don't have a torque wrench. I'll just do it by hand, I guess. And for the oil, I am using the manufacturer suggested Castrol Edge 5-weight 40, and for the oil filter I am using a K&N. This is the part number HP7038. Pretty cool. And then this funnel from IKEA. I think this hole is a bit too small, but we'll see. So I've got it on the ramp, and now I'm going to drain the oil. Well, actually I'm going to unplug this first. Take this out, unscrew that, and then drain the oil. Ooh, also, very, very important. You will need a drain pan. Very important. Drain pan, and then I'm going to put some gloves on. Here they are. And then, yeah, I'll start working. Okay, let's get the dipstick out. Stick it back in. Let's see. Honestly, I don't know what I'm looking at. But, yeah, that doesn't look very clear. How much did they put in it last? That's pretty full. Anyway, gonna leave that open. Gonna leave the filler cap open as well. Okay, this is quite difficult to show you. We are currently under the front, and you will see that right here, this bolt, this is a T45 Torx screw. This is your drain plug. And next to this sensor right here. Good thing you don't have to take any of this panel off. That's pretty cool. So I will undo this. I don't know how I'm gonna record it, but I'll do that. Oh, there we go. Get that oil out. Wait for it to drain. There we go. All right, I'm gonna go clean this bolt off. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh no. It got on the handles. Shit. Oh, because of the fucking wind. Oh, that's great. Like I said earlier, since I don't have what is this? I forgot how many millimeters. I'm just gonna use a pipe wrench, and hopefully it works. I know it has to be torqued down and stuff, but we'll see. Did it move or did it slip? Oh, it did move. Okay. Do I need to take this cover off? There, maybe I'll take the moment to clean my engine. Holy shit, it's so dirty. Oh. Maybe I should have put the pan back down, because there's still dirty oil. Forgot about this part, eh? Totally forgot about this part, eh? Okay, so with this being the very first time of myself changing the oil myself, I forgot one crucial step, which was to remove the filter before putting the drain plug back in. So I had to redo that, but now it's time to change the filter. Here we have the new filter. Obviously K&N, it's red. And this is the old filter. Anyway, don't need that anymore. Here's the cap. Put it right here. And the stick thingy that goes inside the cap and filter. Don't know what this is called, and I forgot which end this goes in. Hopefully it only goes in one way. Got a screwdriver. Get this ring out of the way. Put it somewhere. And then clean this inside right here. Put this ring back on. Oh, jeez. There we go. Let me get a little more. Oh, shit. I got a little too much. Ring is good. Goes in there. Come on. Wait a goddamn minute. Oh, there. I thought it didn't fit. I got worried. Okay. Now it's time to screw this back on. I think maybe one more revolutions. Because this is plastic, it's very easy to break. So you don't want to be too rough on it. That looks perfect. Loosen it and then tighten it a little more. There, in line. Okay, now filter's changed. Leave that on. Time to put new oil in. Finally. Okay, so for oil, it's 6 quart of Castrol Edge 5-weight 40. I'm gonna add the 5 first. I got a super small funnel from IKEA. Hopefully this works. There's my neighbor Brian with his 991. Okay. Nice. Let me get this cleaned up. Put the cover back on. It's just these little nipple looking things. Just line them up. Oh, clean up some extra oil. Let's line up these little things. And then they just pop into place like that. Boom. Okay, so I'm gonna get this off the ramp and then run the engine for about, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. Okay, now to reset the oil service reminder, you would want to, there are two buttons on your dash, the left one and the right one right here. You want to hold down, press and hold the right button and then start the car. After your car has started, then you want to let go of the right one and press the left button once, and that should reset the warning here. So let's get my hand in there and start the engine. Oh, reset the service, and then right here you click, using the left button you click OK. Oh, just kidding, with the steering wheel you click OK. There you go. And now it won't scream at you to change the oil anymore. All right, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Hopefully that helped. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.